Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Muhammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about photocycloaddition of carbonyl compounds. Focus on this terminology, photocycloadditions of carbonyl compound with olefins upon irradiation yield oxytane. This is the cyclized product, is known as Paterno-Bucchi reaction. Look at here, this is alkene, this is carbonyl, undergo cycloadditions in presence of light into pi star transition of CO in forming oxytane 4-member cyclic compound. Photocycloaddition is performed by irradiations with the light of wavelength absorbed only by the carbonyl groups. It involves the triplet excited state of the carbonyl compound rather than that of olefins. This one, we are talking about this CO, and this is double bond. So this is light sensitive. Now mechanism of Paterno-Bucchi reactions. Paterno-Bucchi reactions. So Paterno-Bucchi reactions. Caps lock on. Paterno-Bucchi reactions. Symmetrical, unsymmetrical olefins. So this is compounds undergo light reaction, singlet, intersystem crossing, triplet, and this triplet combine with the double bonds and forming oxytane. Now mechanism of Paterno-Bucchi reactions. Paterno-Bucchi reactions. So this is the compounds HNU, singlet, intersystem crossing, triplet, and this triplet react with the double bond forming diradicals, more stable, and major product oxytane. It may be possible to less stable and minor products. So there are two 4-member ring which is heterocyclic compounds. Now since the olefin is unsymmetrical, two products will be obtained. The product in which the most stable biradical intermediate form will be the major and other will be minor. This is the major, this is the minor. Symmetrical olefins, irradiations of benzophenone with either cis or trans to butene yield the same picture of both isomeric oxytanes. Look at here, this compound undergo light reactions, singlet, intersystem crossing, triplet. This triplet react with the cis trans to butene, then forming these diradicals. Either this give this product or this product. So what is the limitation of Paterno-Bucchi reactions? Paterno-Bucchi reaction fails when the triplet excited state, the triplet excitation energy of ketone exceeds that of olefins. Under such condition, oxytane formations does not take place, but energy transfer takes place from the triplet excited state of ketones to the olefin singlet, means S0 ground state. There be a olefin is excited to triplet state and is dimerized. Example, irradiation of acetone with norbornene yield the dimers of the norbornene rather than oxytane. Look at this reaction. This is undergo light reaction, singlet excited state, intersystem crossing, triplet excited state. This triplet excited state react with this double bonds and forming triplet excited state, and this triplet excited state undergo dimerizations. It is not forming the oxytane. So this is the limitations. When a ketone benzophenone having less triplet energy is used, will lead to the Paterno-Bucchi reaction to form oxytanes of the norbornene. You see here, oxytanes of a norbornene. Now you see this compound undergo light, singlet excited state, intersystem crossing, triplet excited state react with this double bond forming oxytane. So Paterno-Bucchi reactions also fails to occur with the conjugated dienes. these compounds undergo enlightration, triplet, and this is the triple bond, give these diradicals forming this compound, and then again it is open like that. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channels and share it. Thanks for watching.